So what can I say to you? But I'm off that, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth.
My heart is on the pavement, pavement. Why would you just break it? You just break it. Said that I'm the one that you can live without, live without. But look at you, you living, you just living. Said my heart is on the pavement.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this wig I have on now and how to install it for it to last up to a week. I know us girlies, we love our glueless wigs. We love to be able to just take it off, put it on. But this video is for the girlies who plan on wearing their wig for a few days, like 5 to 6 days. I'll be installing today is from Nadula Hair Company. Shout out to them if you're interested in purchasing this wig after seeing this video. All the details to this wig as well as Nadula Hair Company's wig website will be down below in my description box, so make sure to check that out. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So as you guys seen from the title, today's video is going to be all about how to get your install to last. Usually when I do my wig install videos on this channel, they are only meant to last me 1 to 2 days. I've been doing like really quick and easy wig installs on my channel lately, but today's video is going to be for the girlies that need to wear their wig for at least a week. Definitely a few more steps than we usually do, but it can still be achieved by anybody at home. I'm going to make sure this video is very beginner friendly. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm starting out with my hair in a bun. I have not been doing my braid downs under my wigs for a while, ever since I cut my hair back in August. So I've just been wearing like the sleek back buns for the gym and then putting my wigs on top of this. That way later I can just take it off and put it back on. But since we do have somewhere to go tonight and I plan on wearing this wig that I'm installing today for a couple days, I'm going to be doing the ball cap method. But first, since I have some baby hair action going on around here, I'm just going to go ahead with my comb and just comb those hairs straight back. That way it does not interfere with once I put my stocking cap on. I'm going to go ahead and use one of my thin stocking caps. I do prefer the thin stocking caps over the regular wig caps because once you cut this and melt it down, it is easier to camouflage, especially if you have a thinner lace or a more HD lace. It's easier to hide it with this stocking cap opposed to the regular wig caps that tend to be a little bit thicker. Now that I have that wig cap on, I'm going to go ahead and cut 2 little circles around my ear area and pull my ears out. And next I'm just going to take my adhesive spray and spray that all around the hairline. Next, blow dryer. Now that that wig cap is nice and secure, we're just going to go ahead and take our scissors and cut that excess cap off the front. Once that's cut, I'm going to take these 2 pieces from the front of the cap and I'm just going to tie it together just to make sure that the cap is nice and secure. When that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation brush . So let's go ahead and take our wig now and install it and style it. Guys, the wig that I'm installing is from Nadula Hair Company. I actually wore this wig last week. Funny story, guys, I recorded the video right out of the box, but I was going through my camera to free up some storage and I accidentally deleted the video. I'm not sure how to recover the video. I've looked on YouTube, I've tried everything, see if I can find a tutorial on how to recover that video. But instead of wasting time, I'm just going ahead and reinstalling it a week later. So this is what the wig looks like after I washed it. This wig did come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and put it on. But before we put it on, I'm just going to take these two straps in the back to fit super tight. I usually just clip these two back straps together, and that makes the wig fit so snug. Or this is what the wig looks like, not right out of the box guys, but I did not have to customize it myself. This is pretty much what the wig looked like. Again, this wig is from Nadula Hair Company. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pull my lace back. The next step is to go ahead and apply your lace glue of choice. Today I'm going to be using the Bold Hold Active, and I actually really do love this glue for longer lasting installs. I know I am a gym girly, I am a very active girly, so this glue definitely helps my wigs to lay down and stay on when I am on the go, if I have a long week, and if I want my wig to last. So I'm going to be using 2 layers of this glue. You're going to add your first layer down. Guys, before you use your rat tail comb on the glue, you're going to want to go ahead and take off any additional glue that is already on your rat tail comb. You do not want this old glue on the new glue. So I'm taking some rubbing alcohol on a little cotton pad, and I'm just going to wipe off that rat tail comb really fast, get all that old glue off of there. I'm gonna go ahead with that rat tail and smooth out that first layer of glue, making sure that there are no clumps, no lumps or bumps inside of my first layer of glue. I'll go ahead and let that dry clear. I'm going to use my blow dryer just so that it dries a little bit quicker. Now once that's dried pretty much clear, we're going to go in with our Bold Hold Active one more time and add one more layer on top of the other layer that we just applied. And again guys, wiping off that extra glue that was on the comb from our last layer, just getting all that glue off before we go back in and do it one more time. Now that that second layer has basically dried clear too, it's time to go ahead and put our lace over it. So I'm starting from the middle. I know some people like to start from one side and then start from the other side, but I noticed that when I start from the middle, it's less likely to buckle. Like my lace is less likely to buckle later on because I'm doing the middle part and then I'm stretching this side as far as I can and then stretching the other side as far as I can. And now that that side is nice and tacked down, and so is the middle, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Here, look at that. I'm really tugging too. Like, now that it's on and it's not going anywhere, it's time to melt it in a little bit. I'm going to be taking my lace melt spray And I'm not going to spray that directly on the hairline because we do not want it to get clumped up. I'm just going to take a little bit and spray it on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take my rat tail comb, kind of just like dip it in there. And then I'm going to apply it to my lace. And guys, what this is going to do is just help that lace in the front to just melt in. That's why it's called a melting spray. I am currently using the one from Ebin, y'all. I know we're not supposed to be using Ebin no more, but that is the only one that I know of right now. So if you guys have any suggestions for a really, really good lace melting spray, don't hesitate to leave it down below in my comments. I'm always open to trying out new products, especially products that are gonna work and that are gonna last and that are really good quality. So to be even more melted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little string here and I'm going to tie it around the very, very edge of my lace. That way it kind of melts into our skin and is very seamless. The smaller it is and the thinner it is, the better. And then after we put this on, we're still going to go ahead and put our edge band over it. And we're gonna tie it as tight as we can, y'all. Like, you're only leaving it on for 10 minutes. So don't worry about cutting your circulation or nothing. Tie that thing tight. So now that that's done, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this hair together. I'm not going to curl it on camera because I have so many videos of me curling my hair on this channel. So if you're interested in one of those, I'll definitely link it down below. But I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair and then I'll come back once it's time to remove that band. Okay guys, now that I'm done curling my entire head and I went ahead and pin curled my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and take these bands from around my hairline. And honestly, y'all, I think I finished just in time because these bands are really starting to give me a headache. I just took the bands off and I think the lace looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking my pins out now. I'm just gonna take my paddle brush and just brush through those curls. No lie, y'all, this wig looks so good already. I don't know if it's because I washed it and then reinstalled it, but y'all, the hair itself is so pretty, and I'm definitely loving the way these curls turned out, y'all. But I do want to add a few more layers to the front. Okay, this is so pretty. I am loving it. Just a few finishing touches. I'm gonna go in with my wax stick And I'm just gonna press the top of my hair down with that. And then I'm gonna take my Tresemme Extra Holding Spray. And y'all, this spray has been my go-to for holding sprays lately. It really locks in the curls, makes your curls last longer. I just love it. And it also gives it a shine. And so I have been using this spray lately just to give my hair a little bit more volume and make sure my curls actually last. I'm not sure about y'all, but I really do see the difference when I use volumizing sprays. I really do see the difference. And I'm one of those girlies that love me some big hair, not too big, but I love me some hair with some volume. And this spray is gonna get you together every time. Look at that. I know y'all see the difference. All the details to this wig, as well as Nadula Hair Company's wig website, will be down below. Enjoyed it. Make sure to go ahead and leave me some feedback down below in my comment section. I would really appreciate it. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
My heart is on the pavement. Why would you just break it? You just break it. Said that I'm the one that you can live without. But look at you, you living. You just living. Said my heart is on the pavement.